Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use Canva on ChatGPT. Alright, let's begin. First, open ChatGPT and go to the Explore GPTs section. You can do that by clicking on your profile icon at top right corner and then selecting the required option. Next, you can either search for Canva in the search bar or scroll down to find Canva under the top apps. Once you find it, click on it, then click on Start Chat. Now you'll be directed to a chat window where you can type your request. For example, you can type, "Create a logo about bikes," and also explain it a bit more for better understanding. Then, click on Allow to grant access, and the AI will start generating your design. If you're using the free version of ChatGPT, it may take a little longer, but once it's ready, you'll see the logo designs. You can click on the logo to open it in the official Canva website. From there, you can edit the logo if you want. You'll have multiple versions to choose from, so if you don't like the first one, you can try the second or third. You can also use the same process to create more complex designs, such as presentations. So that's basically how you can use Canva on ChatGPT. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.